Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split screen on Notability app in iPad. So let's get straight into it. Now I will show you the simplest way. So, right, let's get into the Notability app. And what you will going to do is now open your notes. So I will open this one here. Now, if I want to split screen with another note, I will swipe here from the left, just like that, where you see your notes, as you can see. Now I will long press on this second note here, just like that, and now I will move it right here. And what you can see now, I have opened two two nodes in one screen. Now, obviously, you can also have, if it works on your iPad, I tried on mine, but it doesn't work, that you have another app open up in one screen, but sadly I can't show you because it doesn't work. So this will be for this video. I hope that it helps a little bit. So if it is, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.